Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct? No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
Hi guys, welcome to the Greedy Trader channel. Well, I'm not exactly greedy, as most of you old watchers of the channel will testify. I have the most conservative approach to trading. It's just a nice parody idea from the Gordon Gekko mantra. There are only two kinds of traders, the greedy ones and the fearful ones.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works.
Those of you who are new to the channel, this is where you can learn how to really trade like a professional. Every video I make is packed with real examples with before and after scenarios, so you can see that it is simply a question of sticking with the plan and not changing it because you're having an emotional meltdown. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade Market Profile using this unique trading strategy. If you've been watching Market Profile videos, then you're probably seeing Volume Profile being described as Market Profile. I did a video on the difference. If you want to see this, link is in the description below. The problem with influencers today is they are likely to make videos about what is popular because social media algorithms reward this. This allows for information to be propagated to mass audiences that are simply untrue. Anyway, this is not a rant video, so I'll leave that topic for another day. So how do we trade Market Profile? There are a number of ways to take advantage of the profile, but there is one trade that has a 70% probability of success. Yes, you heard me right. This simple Market Profile strategy is called the value trade. Here's how it works. Step 1, set up your Market Profile chart. This could be a weekly profile or a daily profile. If you don't know how to do this, I have a video on that. Link is in the description below. Step 2, once this is done, the value area will be visible to you on that profile type. So what is the value area? This is where 70% of price distribution, essentially the price most traders believe are fair. This gives rise to the concept of the lowest fair price and the highest fair price. This concept simply states price will move from the lowest fair price to the highest price until a large entity tips the equilibrium. Now that you've identified the value, it is time to wait for your trade setup. Let's take the 2nd of June week as an example. The market auctions lower through A, B, C, and D auctions. This means price is now trading below the fairest price. D period auction back into the value area. A value trader will place a buy order at the low fairest price and a take profit at the highest fair value. We can also see as price extended to our outlier prices. You can see in I period the market trades back into the highest fair price. A value trader will place a sell order at the highest fair price and take profit at the lowest fair price. This is what a value trade is. It's very simple, and most new Market Profile traders will start learning to trade using this simple, unique trading strategy. Don't get me wrong, clearly other trading methods have merit, but if I know that 95% of institutions trade with Market Profile, and it's safe for me to say I'm making decisions in the same way the largest traders do. I hope you found this video helpful. Till my next video, adios.
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct? No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?